In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Slack mobile login issues. If you're stuck on the sign-in screen or your login keeps looping, don't worry. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have several reliable fixes to get you back into your workspace. First, start with a quick refresh by clearing the app's cache and restarting Slack. This removes temporary files that can cause odd behavior without touching your messages or channels. On many devices, you can clear the cache from your phone's app settings. In Slack, you may also find a cache reset option under its settings. After clearing the cache, fully close the app, swipe it away so it's not running in the background, and open it again. This simple step resolves a surprising number of login glitches. Next, confirm you're using the correct email and that your browser is supported. If you sign in via a magic link or single sign-on, Slack will hand off part of the process to your default mobile browser. Make sure you're entering the exact email tied to your Slack account and that your default browser is up to date. Browsers like Chrome, Safari, Firefox, or Edge typically work best. Outdated or unsupported browsers can block redirects or fail to open the sign-in page properly. If the issue persists, try uninstalling and reinstalling the Slack app. A fresh install replaces any corrupted app files and often clears stubborn login problems. After reinstalling, open Slack and try signing in again. Don't worry, reinstalling won't erase your workspace data on Slack's servers. Also, take a moment to check your network connection. A weak or unstable connection can interrupt the login flow, especially when your device needs to fetch a verification link or redirect to your identity provider. Try switching between Wi-Fi and cellular data, moving closer to your router, or briefly toggling airplane mode off and on to reset the connection. Finally, consider using a different sign-in method like a QR code. On your computer, open Slack and look for the option to sign in on mobile using a QR code. Then on your phone, open the Slack app and select the option to scan a QR code. Point your camera at the code on your computer screen, and your phone should authenticate without you typing anything. This is especially handy if links won't open correctly on your device. That's it. Start with clearing the cache and restarting, double-check your email and browser, reinstall if needed, verify your network, and use the QR code method as a convenient alternative. Follow these steps, and you should be back in Slack smoothly.